In this video, we will learn how to create an API key. First, click on this button to create an API. You'll find detailed information by just simply clicking on these I buttons. To create an API, you must enable two-factor authentication. Now give the Google Authenticator code from your Authenticator app. One quick reminder, if you lose access to your phone, you won't be able to log into your account without this key. Print, copy, or write down this key without letting anyone see it. This is highly recommended. Now you have activated two-factor authentication. Now give the API key a level. Now to create the API, complete the following security verifications. Click on Submit and you are done. You can edit or delete your API from here. Now to add API, fill in the details and click Submit.